So before 3 days I have got this task, the assignment footfall counter using computer vision, and this assignment was very challenging, or also helps me to learn new things in computer vision. So let's see. uh, you are required to create footfall counter that detects human in a video stream, tracks their movements frame by frame, defines a virtual line or region of interest, counts how many people enter and exit by crossing the ROI. Okay, so this was the main task, I think. And to fulfill these four tasks, I have created solution. Uh, so I have used Streamlit for for the front end, and for the back end I have used Python salt algorithm, like the salt library. I have used that, and I have used a WebSocket for continuous streaming the video of. So let's see. First of all, let's go to VS Code. Here we can see I was earlier detecting and checking how it is working. So it is working fine. So let's take quick demo. So first of all, we clear everything. uh, so here our Streamlit app is running. We have two options, a webcam and video file. So let's go to video file, browse files. Here is the demo video I have downloaded from YouTube. So what I am doing is I capture the first frame for the boundary setup, and after that boundary setting, we will detect uh, the people which are entering from that boundary and exiting from that boundary. And this is also very quick demo. So there might be precision problem of placing the line. So let's see. Okay, so first frame is captured. For now we will draw the boundary. I have used the canvas, Streamlit canvas for drawing it. uh, uh, what I was going to do is like put the canvas over the image, or the set the image under the canvas. But right now in the Streamlit this ST canvas, it's newer version, but in the older version it was happening. But in the newer version they have removed some functions. So uh, I come up with this solution. So at like uh, so yeah, here we have drawn the line, and from this line entering, the people will be entries, and in people going inside this line will be the exit counts of ours. So we can see that these counts are updating behind. Let's see what is happening behind the scenes. So here our WebSocket is running. It is continuously capturing those frames and processing the videos, and passing to the front end. And in the front end, in the Streamlit app, it is showing here. And these counts are getting increase and decrease continuously along with the frames. So, yeah. So we have created two files. First is the video serve file, in which whole the WebSocket processing and the calculation and the bounding box detection tracking IDs is happening. And in the app part, we are first of all we are sending from in the app part, we are giving the inputs like first we will set whether we want to use webcam or video file. After that, after setting this, we will capture first frame, uh, and after that we will uh, draw the line using this canvas object, in which I am using this stroke red color, fill color is this, and I have set in this parameter. After the in the result of canvas draw, we will get an object, and those we will be set as the line coordinates. The line coordinates we will pass from the Streamlit app to the backend in the video server, and after that after in the video server, they will be used and used for drawing the line as well as uh, counting the entry and exit logics. So yeah, we have level start and start counting, stop counting, and also I have done some experiment, but I have excluded them as they were not working as very good. Here is the receive frame, so it will receive the frames from the WebSocket. WebSocket will continuously stream the data, and we will get those data from here in the WebSocket also. Uh, as I told earlier, we will process these frames, draw the bounding box, use the line coordinates which are coming from the canvas object, and use those for drawing the lines as well as counting counting these entry count and exit counts. So this so far I have concluded this. Also, while doing this, there was one. I will not call it as a problem, but I think there is a change in the sort tracker object. There is a one update function. In the update function, there is a one extra parameter underscore which is not used very often in the function, but it was uh, it was like it was the parameter inside the params part, but it was not used in inside the function, so I have to remove in order to use that. uh, if I was not removing that, the function was asking for the parameters, but it was not very, it was not used inside the function, so I have removed it. One can, if you don't want to interrupt, so you can just pass something like anything, string, number, boolean inside the update function here in the tracker. This is the update function. So this was something I was found very not very challenging, but yeah, it was kind of solving the issue, which was not from the developing part but was was already inside the library of sort tracker. So thank you.